Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile display setting, and video title is how to rotate mobile screen. Friends, we want to rotate your Lava mobile screen. So my how to rotate screen one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, then first of all on your Lava mobile display setting. After on display setting, then scroll it. Friends, enable your auto rotate screen. After enable friends, come back, and friends I will on Wi-Fi also. And friends on your YouTube screen, and friends you want to rotate your mobile screen, so friends you can rotate, and friends you can use your Lava mobile screen rotate setting. So like that friends we can on auto rotate setting, and friends we can use Lava mobile phone auto rotate screen. So I hope friends you understood how to rotate mobile screen, and friends you don't want to rotate screen, so friends you will have to disable your auto rotate screen setting. After disable friends your screen will not rotate automatic. Friends click here friends, you can try, screen will not rotate automatic. So friends you want to rotate your Lava mobile screen automatic, enable auto rotate. After enable, come back, friends click here friends, you can see screen rotate automatic and we can use. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to enable auto rotate screen in Lava mobile and how to use it. Friends, you can find your auto rotate from here direct. Friends, you can search your auto rotate setting, direct click here and you can use your auto rotate setting in your Lava mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching.